Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth is now here. Apple's newest edition, the iPhone XR, is now available in today's market, which some are actually calling this to be Apple's newest golden phone, since it's a lot more affordable with that lower price tag compared to something like the iPhone XS. And internally, besides the RAM, they still have the latest Apple processor and that newest Face ID feature. Let's go ahead and begin this unboxing. So this is my first red product by Apple. And I immediately noticed that the chrome is not silver, it's actually a reddish silver tint. I'm not sure if Apple done this in the past with other product red models, but if so, do let me know down in the comment section. And yes, this is the 64 gig. So first thing first, to remove this clear cover, just simply peel this little clear tab like so. And here's our gorgeous new product red iPhone, and I really do like that wallpaper. Let's go ahead and slide this out, move that aside. And here's designed by Apple in California with all of our information papers. Since it's the product red, we do get this little product red slip. And of course, manual, our Apple sticker, quick guide, setup, all that stuff. It's here. We've already seen it. Move that aside. And here's our piece de resistance, our new iPhone XR. And man, that color is definitely gorgeous, I must say. Definitely feels a lot larger on the hand, I can say that. But in here, of course, headphones, lightning cable, and our USB power cable, but no lightning to audio jack, not anymore. I don't know why they removed that, but yeah, already definitely the phone does feel a lot larger on the hand. Let's remove this little clear piece of plastic, and the buttons feel different. They feel like they're brushed aluminum than the previous iPhone. And then if we do actually do a comparison against the two iPhones, I noticed that the SIM card slot is no longer located in the center of the phone. It's actually a little bit lower compared to the previous phone, like my iPhone 10. The camera hump, it does still have the hump. And the physical buttons like the power and the volume up and down buttons feel like they actually have like a pattern, like a brushed aluminum pattern, as I feel like they have like a grip-like texture compared to something like an iPhone 6 with the same aluminum body style. But it's too small to even tell to really confirm that. But this phone to me feels a lot more grippy. It does have the glass body in the back, which I think is an excellent touch because it doesn't feel less premium as I was expecting. It feels almost still similar to my iPhone 10. But comparing the two screens side by side, there isn't that much of an increased size comparison I was expecting. Like the 5.8 screen isn't as large as I was expecting it to see when compared against the iPhone 6.1 screen off the new XR. And it's still very easy to handle with one hand. Well, for me that is. But there you guys have it. That was just a quick unboxing I wanted to share with you guys with a small comparison against my previous iPhone 10. Expect there to be a ton of content for this phone. I'm going more in depth in its features and other future comparisons. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But as always guys, thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.